Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making power and access reliable. Charge to at least 50% and remove any SD card if you want a cleaner process. Once done, power the device off completely. Then press and hold power plus volume down. On some models it is volume up for 8 to 10 seconds. You will see the Oppo logo, release the buttons, and wait calmly for the recovery menu to appear. This entry step ensures the device boots into recovery instead of normal Androids. Now you navigate the menu, use volume keys to move and power to select because touch may not work in this mode. If your goal is installing an update, make sure Update. Zip is on the SD card or OTG drive before choosing Apply Update since failure interrupts flashing. If you must remove persistent errors, choose Wipe Data, but do this only if you accept a factory reset because it erases user data. Take time to confirm each selection. Accidental wipes are common. You finish by selecting Reboot System now and then waiting. The first boot can take 5 to 10 minutes, so be patient. If the phone enters a boot loop, go back into recovery and try Wipe Cache first, then wipe data only if cache clearing fails. If problems persist, prepare the official Oppo recovery firmware for your exact model and flash via recovery or their recovery tool. This addresses corrupt system images. One troubleshooting tip: always confirm firmware matches your model to avoid bricking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.